everyone, it's Marissa from Fitness Before Dawn, and look what I have here. I got this for my birthday. It is an Almond Cow. So I'm going to do let me just do an unboxing, something I've never done on camera before. So this is an Almond Cow. What it does, you can make your own almond milk with it. You can also make cashew milk, any kind of nut milk or grain milk you can make with this machine. So the first thing I see in here is a 3-pound bag of cashew pieces, and that's backwards for you. Ooh, I guess this is the actual Almond Cow plant-based milk maker. Okay, I'm gonna hand this off to my husband to open while I show you what else is in. The next thing I see is, ooh, coconut shreds. You can also make coconut, can you see that? Coconut milk. And my one and only favorite, there's not many nut milks I've tried. I've never tried cashew milk before. But this is another 3-pound bag of almonds. The other thing that's in here, I think this is the milk jug. I bought the deluxe kit that comes with everything. I felt like it was less expensive to buy it deluxe with everything. I'm also hand this off to hubby. Okay, so here is the milk maker. Cool bag it comes in, look at that. This is the actual almond maker. The other thing that's in here, oh yes, I forgot. I ordered separately a recipe book. I saw on their, excuse the noise, I saw on their website, ooh, this is a nice book, that they had a lot of recipes. A lot of the recipes are free, but I wanted to see what else they had in addition to the free recipes. So this is the Almond Cow Kitchen plant-based milk maker. So let's see what kind of recipes. I'll just give you can make coconut pancakes, ooh, maple glazed donuts. This is I'm sorry, let me tell y'all, these are pulp recipes. So apparently, so after you make the almond milk, the almond pulp that's left, you can also use those for recipes. So you can make creamer, you can make fudge, vegan butters. Ooh, gonna have some fun with this thing. So anyway, of course, I will be doing some other videos on some recipes from this Almond Cow Kitchen. So the other thing we have is this glass jar that you obviously put the milk in when you're done. And oh, one more thing. There's a brush. This is cool to clean it. It's got a little hook. You just clean it. So that is it for the unboxing of this Almond Cow milk maker. I will actually come back a little later and show you exactly how to use it. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, hello everyone. So I'm back. Now I'm going to show you how to use the Almond Cow milk maker. So this is the only space that I have to use, and yes, I'm over my stove. So I'm going to show you how to use this. I'm going to adjust this a little bit. So this is the base of the Almond Cow. This is the filter basket, and I've already put some almonds in it. There is a 1 cup or half a cup line in here, and I put mine all the way to the 1 cup measurement, and this is the top. So to flavor the almond milk, I'm going to use as a sweetener some monk fruit, some vanilla extract, and I'm going to put just a little bit of salt in it. And all of that goes in the filter cup.
A little bit in there. About maybe 3 drops of this monk fruit because it is super sweet. And just dash of salt. Yes, it is making a mess.
And then I'm going to kind of turn it to the side a little bit like this, sideways. Make sure I didn't drop any in there. And then you screw it kind of toward the left. So now that that is on, I'm going to sit it in here. I'm going to plug it up. Actually, I'm going to plug it here first. And there is a green light at the top of this letting you know the power is on. And what you do is just press the Almond Cow and it's going to flash. And it flashes for about 1 minute before it is done. Okay, so it is done, and I have the collector cup here. So let's see how this comes out. Looks very frothy. Can you guys see that? Nope, let me adjust the camera a little bit more so you can see a little bit more. Okay, so it looks pretty frothy. I'm going to sit this in the collector cup here. Okay, I'll get back to that later. The main thing is this. This is the star of the show. This is the milk. It looks very frothy. But here's the jug. I'm just going to pour it right in there.
It does look a little watery compared to the almond milk that you buy in the store. But I'm going to do a taste test here in just a moment. At how much it makes. Huh. Okay.
Alright, now here's a taste test. Okay. It tastes a little watery. I can taste a little bit of sweetness, and it may just be because it doesn't have all the additives and fillers that you would find in regular almond milk that you would buy. So it's not horrible, but it's definitely not what I'm used to. It does have a nice light flavor. I do taste a hint of the vanilla and some sweetness. So I'm going to continue to tweak this. I don't know, maybe I need to use less water so it's not as thin. But anyway, overall, I am satisfied with my purchase. I really feel like this is a great investment because I would purchase maybe 2 gallons of, not 2 gallons, maybe 1.5 gallons of almond milk about every 2 weeks or so. And those plastic jugs add up. So I do like one of the pros of having this machine is that it cuts down on plastic waste. So now clean up. So I'm gonna place this over here for right now. So clean up. This collects in here. The other benefit to this is, I can get it off of here. Ooh, look at this. This is the almond pulp. I'm gonna put this out of the way here. And this is the collector. Wow, see, it's a little bit milk in there. So this is the almond pulp. You can make several things with this. You can warm it and add sweetener, more sweetener to it, fruit, and have it as sort of like an oatmeal, a warm treat. So let me know what your thoughts are on having this machine. Is it something that you think you would invest in? Is it worth the investment? I watched several videos about this and they were about 50-50. Some people said that you could use a regular blender, but I actually like this. I think this is a lot easier than trying to put a cheesecloth over, whatever. I've never made homemade almond milk. I've seen it and I wasn't interested in making it myself. So I was really happy to see that something like this was available. And apparently it's been out for a while, but I am just now catching wind of this in the last couple of months. And my husband agreed that I could have one. So actually it was a birthday present. So anyway, share your thoughts with me down in the comments below. And thank you again for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.